Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the oil level for this Renault Megane 3 from 2013 by using the display menu. It's very simple. Firstly, you have to push the start button, but don't push the brake, so the engine is not starting to run, just the ignition. So we're going to do this now. We're going to push the start button, and after that we're going to use this button over here on the upper button, and we are going to see the oil level displayed on this display over here. In my case, it's all right. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.